What's up? Welcome to Circus Circus.
Well, hello there, folks.
Alright guys, we are doing another tour of Circus Circus. I'm sorry about my voice, I have a cold, but we're gonna try to do Circus Circus.
It's gonna get me sick, guys. Oh, by subscribing.
So here's a little Vegas shop. 2 hoodies for 30 bucks. You can do the old time photos. Those are cool. This is the upstairs level. They got shops. They got popcorn and ice cream here. I don't know either. You can get temporary tattoos. They last 5 weeks, everyone. Oh yeah, they don't call it the upper level. This is the Adventuredome. But someone had school today, so we weren't able to come play. Alright, so here's all their shows. Friday, Saturday, all their different things like flying trapeze artist, circus clown, hand balancing, foot juggling, unicycle duo, and here are Adventuredome's hours, you guys. There's a hat shop over here. I guess see, they got a bunch of Golden Knights hats. Buy one, get one, 50% off. How cool, look. Just making the hat. It's doing an autograph, it looks like. This machine is super cool. Mind blown face right there, y'all. No, these kids are doing like virtual reality stuff.
Let's go.
So here's
We're good.
Be careful with those because they weigh them at the end. So you think you're just getting a little bit, but then they tell you the price at the end.
Oh, that's cool.
There's a luggage place. So you buy too much stuff to take home on your trip.
They have backpacks for $4.
Yeah.
That's not a bad deal.
There's more souvenir stuff. Ooh, $20.
She hates feet.
I don't like.
She doesn't even like her own.
So here's the upstairs. I didn't even know they had slot machines upstairs.
I didn't either. Nope. Well, the gimbal died. Well, guys, it's gonna be shaky, but I'm gonna hold you like this.
No, we'll just get the pool and go. It's not gonna be. Are there slides? Water slides?
Yeah. This is the original, like, part of Circus Circus.
Oh, those are the original rooms?
Well, like, they're the older ones.
Yeah.
And then they built that.
This is their cool water park. I didn't realize they had this cool water park.
Yeah.
The pool's tiny though. For it to be like family-oriented pool, you would think they would have.
Well, they also have a pool for the trailer park, and then
It's not a trailer park, it's an RV.
RV park, same thing. Are you seriously cold here?
No, I'm just, it's a little chilly.
58, my boy.
Welcome
57.
Circus Circus.
Whew. Can smell.
It smells like Circus Circus. So this is check-in over here. Where visitors come in. This is downstairs. What it smells like? I don't even know.
It smells like butt. Oh.
Anyone working front desk? One person?
One person, and then Belle is over there. That's it. There's the West Tower elevator.
So we should say this is part 2 of our Circus Circus because we came here, I don't know, about 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
And our battery died, so sorry guys.
Yeah. And as you can see, everybody else is cold right now.
It is kind of cold. Adventure tours. Those where they airbrush your shirt.
Oh, that's cool.
There's a little slide world.
Oh, there's this squishy thing.
We're not stopping at a toy shop, huh? the slot well.
There's the Crystal Cash Man.
Those are cool. I want to get a picture of me and Craig.
Oh, thanks.
Sorry.
Love you too.
You want a purse? You can get purses in there.
These purses look like corsets. It's weird.
A purse that looks like a corset.
Yeah. I used to think this was so cool.
Yeah, you wanted one for the longest time.
I still do.
You busy? Well, they have one of these stores upstairs too, right?
Yeah. Express Market. Tickets on demand. The steakhouse.
This brings one of the best steakhouses.
Really?
Yeah.
There's a tattoo.
You want a tattoo, huh?
No.
Get it. Get a tattoo.
I think that was the place that was at the Riv.
Oh, Krispy Kreme donuts.
How much for one?
$1.79. $2 for a donut. Ooh, look at that pizzeria. Those look like the Rib foods.
Yeah. Is it just me, or is that security? I was gonna say something else, but kinda worked in.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Of course.
Flat World.
Right next to these.
Table games. Let's look at minimum. $10 minimum on roulette. $15.
No, they have
$15 on single blackjack. Oh, there's $5 on there. Let's go. Down. Here's a little bar to our left. Ooh, that looks like a good burger.
This is a sports book. Is it just me or these change?
Oh, coin.
You wonder where they all are. They're at Circus Circus.
That's super cool. Yeah. I didn't know Circus Circus had old school coins.
Here's the front. You should do this. Pennies win the car.
Ooh, look at that car. They finally updated it. Here's their Players Club. So if you get their Players Club here, they used to have a package when you spend 20 bucks, like on the table games, will match your first 20. I don't know if they still do it or not. Let's go out front.
Look, everybody lost their balloons. There's the old casino. It's lots of fun.
We might get busted in here. I don't even think kids are allowed in here.
Nope, I'm not allowed.
Oh. Alright, well me and Dad will have to come back down and do that one then. So I know we didn't get much table games, but they do have $5 blackjack. They had $15 single deck blackjack. I think because it's just one. Security's right over there looking for us.
Where?
There's two of them.
Let's go.
They're probably just radioing their friend.
Round two. Oh, there's a girl right there.
Oh no, she's a timeshare girl.
Huh. Okay.
Hey, so I guess we could do a little bit. What else do we got? We did Sportsbook, we did the lobby. Vince Neil's restaurant bar. Vince Neil, who'd he play for?
Oh,
You know?
no.
So it is a Monday night, guys, so it's kind of slow. It's getting colder. There's like virtual reality things.
Yep.
Virtual reality things.
That looks pretty cool. They got like a booth. Okay. Let's see what's up here.
Alright. Circus act. How many rooms do you think it has?
326.
3,770.
3,000?
Yeah, they have like 3 different towers. Why did we never know this was up here?
I know, right?
Found you a job.
Oh,
You'll be part of the circus act.
that's mean.
Huh?
Look, right here.
What do you want, french fries? No. This is cool. Why did we not know these were up here?
I don't know. I saw this and you're like, it's just a Adventuredome. And I'm like,
I
no.
thought it was.
No, it's
Sorry.
not. Of course, there's a McDonald's up here. McDonald's everywhere.
McDonald's, Coke, and Thru. Oh, you think I can make it?
Don't. There's a guy behind you.
Ready?
There's a guy behind you.
I made it! Yeah! We're giving him something to do.
How'd you even make that? I don't know. Wish it was a game that was acted.
Yeah, no, if I tried, I wouldn't win.
Let's go look at the circus show thing.
Let's see which one you're gonna do.
Mom? Nobody thinks that's funny.
Stage schedule. Today's Monday. Umbrella at 8:30. Luis Diablo at 7:30. Did you get a cool view of
Look at that weird giraffe.
Oh, look, here's the... Oh, geez, that's great. Look at the Flintstones.
Good.
Alright, well, let's go around. Oh, look, there's a horse thing. What is it called?
Carousel?
Thanks, a carousel. Horse thing.
There's Elena's favorite.
That horse thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Holy crap. I never knew this was here.
I didn't either. So we learned something with all of you. There really is a huge arcade.
Is that seriously moving?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, it's like a little... That's where... Well, it used to be.
But now balls are out there. Go give me a ball. That's hard.
That's easy.
No, that's hard to do.
$1 $1. I could make it. That I cannot.
Oh, this is a little...
Ring toss.
Yeah, I was gonna say, these are hard, huh? Does anyone win? That's my answer. She goes, no, you're gonna win right now. Oh! That's bigger than mine. Jeez.
I would have chose the drone if that was me.
Yeah, I would have too. Definitely would have chosen the drone.
She's too little to realize that.
All those basketballs have all the MGM names on them. So like Webster, Delano, all of them. No, that's okay. We're just looking. Thank you.
Oh, look, there's your game.
They took my balls.
Whoa.
Where's your favorite place to eat?
Nope. Haven't ate there in 4 years now. Even though their fries would taste so good.
Ice cream.
I mean, I do eat their ice cream. That's my fault. Holy crap, that horse is in like a... That horse looks like a ton of pain. You can win a PS4 for a ton of tickets.
60,000 tickets, all you need.
I'm the best at that game though. That's the game I tried to cheat at. Yeah, because you throw the balls and if you make it all in those,
Yeah.
you go ahead and you get 1,000 tickets.
Ooh, you fancy. You only needed a 60 more.
I was like
times.
this.
How much money is it? $1?
So $60? That's not bad. That's one game. Things are
And I think
expensive.
they would catch on after you did it like that. This is a pretty massive arcade.
Yeah. Pac-Man just sitting in the corner. There's Air hockey.
Keep talking over each other. It's our favorite. I like the Pac-Man one out of all of them.
The one thing that annoys me the most here is how this is not in order.
Oh, it's not straight across?
Yes.
Well, that's so you can all play at the same time. They should have just spread them out a little bit.
Oh, that game looks fun.
Skee-ball? Going to play skee-ball?
$2 per play. 3 plays $5. These ones are fun, but it's impossible to get the jackpot. Hey, look. Here's your game.
Hi. Standing guard. They threw that ball in there.
And now this guy was looking at you.
Here she comes. They can watch the balls. But it looks like someone won.
You know, the one thing I would think, it'd be smart if you rigged those by putting magnets at the bottom.
Yeah. I think they're heavier than normal blocks. I can't believe how slow it is up here. Even for a Monday night, like you would think there would be more people here, right? The human cannonball.
This looks fun.
Yep. Chicken in a pot.
Chicken in a pot goes.
4 chickens. That's $3.
Man, that looks so weird.
So that is Circus Circus. Our last Circus Circus video, Craig did it. So he showed you the pool and all that other fun stuff. So if you want a updated Circus Circus, watch this one.
Sorry, it's fun.
This way? We go this way?
Where do? Where do do do?
We got
Where do?
upstairs last
Where do do? Karaoke under the top. And there's the lonely game of craps.
$10 limit, $5 limit, 3 card poker, $5 minimum.
There's the cashier.
Learn how to play blackjack at 10:30 a.m. It's free. You can learn how to play roulette at 11:30 a.m. It's free.
So, fun fact. Right after the Riviera exploded, there's no security there. Right after the Riviera exploded,
Yeah.
I was walking through here, 4 o'clock in the morning,
What?
all alone,
With your mask on.
with my mask on, holding sharp objects that I thought were the Riviera. I thought it was so cool.
Why? Were you by yourself? Where was Dad?
Oh, I was with Ethan. No.
Or do you have like a sitting place?
Ugh. We'll just go up to that spinning place. What? The spinning place. Oh, I want that shirt. I'll just do it later. That's funny.
Come on. Go find a place to sit.
So here's the buffet. That's what it looks like. That's pretty cool. We would have ate there tonight, but we had chicken. So.
There's a line.
You can go. It's the cheaper version for the fortune teller.
Going to tell you.
Okay, guys. That's funny, bro.
What you could be for Halloween? You want to be a unicorn?
I don't know. So guys, that was Circus Circus. If you like this video, go down there and like it. If you want to subscribe, please consider following this channel, subscribing. Yeah. Also, you can watch this video right here or this one. And here's the subscribe button right here, actually. How convenient. Just click it. Way easier.
Bye.